Hey guys, today I'm going to make a tutorial for the 4x4. Now I have to be a bit quiet, so because my parents are doing their job, so let me just scramble the cube first, and then I'll start teaching you guys. Okay, now the first step of the cube is to do centers. Now the way that you do centers is like let me just first do the white center. I see a white piece here and a white piece there. I move this white piece to the bottom left corner. Bottom right. And I recommend that if there's a piece here, it should be on the right side if there's only one piece. So you have to do this algorithm. RW U RW prime. And see there are now two pieces up here. So now you have to look for the next two pieces. Oh, the two pieces are right here. Now I recommend you do I recommend they put on, so you have to put at least one piece on the bottom right corner and these pieces on the right side, and then I do the algorithm again. So R W U R W prime. Now I move this another center piece and I put it on the bottom right again, and I have to have at least one spot right on the top left corner. So for RW U RW prime. Once center done, you use that for all the centers. So I see two reds here, I see a red piece here, so I have to go like R U RW U RW prime. And now there's another center here, so I'll move this piece to the other side because this is opposite of this. RW prime, RWU RW prime, and then I have to have one space here and then the piece here, and then boom, bam, bop. Okay, now I'll do the orange center. Oh look, the pieces are already here. Put in the bottom right corner, R U R prime, RW RW prime, and then let me do the other orange piece. So put it here, over the space here, RW U RW prime. Now let me do the blue center, which is here, but you have to make sure that the blue center is not here. The blue center has to be on the right. If you face the red and the white like this, blue has to be on the right side, not the left side. So make sure that you have that correct. Okay, and I see the piece here on opposite, so I move it using the algorithm to this center, and I have to have this spot, this empty spot over here, and the piece over here. So that one is done. Now we only have two more centers. Once you solve one center, the other one will be solved because there's no other pieces that could be in this center. So put this piece in the bottom right corner. Has to have an empty space here. And 1, 2, 3. Now your centers are all done. Next, you have to solve edges. You have to solve the edges. So you have to find two edge pieces like this is a white blue piece, and here's another white blue piece. Put them together such as this, but if it's opposite, if this is over here instead of here, you're supposed to put this up and then move it to a different spot where it will work. So now you have to do this algorithm. DW R U U F prime U R wait, I did the wrong thing. Sorry about that. Guys, I made it wrong. I did the wrong thing. So it's DW R F prime U R prime F DW. The edges paired up. Oh, no, hold up. Okay, there we go. Now, so if you do the algorithm, it will solve that. I made a mistake, so let me just put that back together real quick. Alright, now you have to do that on all of the edge pieces, like this one and this one can work, but they're not on the same plane, so they're not here. So I have to move this to another spot. And then there we go. And you have to do the DW R F prime U R prime F D W prime, and you do this algorithm all over the cube. So like this green and this green, green white, do the algorithm D W R F prime U R prime F D W prime, and you keep on going all across the cube. So yeah, you just have to keep on going and going like that. You get the point. So let's just quickly do all of the edges. Sorry, that was my dad's phone. The pieces can even be on the bottom. Still works. And then you get the point. And once you're, and then something like and once you get to the last two pieces, it will still work. Last two edges, the same colors on top and bottom. So you just do the algorithm one more time, and then all the edges are solved. Now all you have to do now is do the 3x3 algorithms. So you do the cross first. You should, if you don't know how to solve the 3x3, go watch my tutorial, but make sure to stay here for a little while because there are some things that you need to know first. So let me just solve it like a 3x3. Oh, there's also a tutorial on how to solve this. I made a tutorial on how to solve this. You should watch that video. So okay, fix those centers. You have to make sure that they're in the correct area. You have to make sure they're correct. Now we have our first problem. This is parity, OLL parity. The algorithm is long, so it's like this. Lowercase lowercase r2, b2, u2, lowercase l, u2, lowercase r prime, u2, lowercase r, u2, f2, lowercase r, f2, lowercase l prime, b2, lowercase r2 prime, lowercase r2 prime. And now you just solve the 3 by 3, like a 3 by 3, and so on. But here's the first problem. There's the second problem. PLL parity. This is not a long algorithm, so if these two pieces have to be swapped, you just do the same algorithm and then you do a 3 by 3 algorithm and it will be solved. So this is the algorithm to swap these two. The lowercase r2, u2, lowercase r2, uw2, lowercase r2, lowercase u2. And once you're done with that, your 4 by 4 will be solved. I recommend you watch this video again to learn the entire cube. And this is my tutorial on how to solve the 4 by 4 Rubik's Cube. I hope you had a wonderful day. Bye bye.